Let's look at craftsmanship and color choices. The colors you choose can have a big impact on the mood and appearance of your art. Start with the colors you know must be a certain way. For example, if you want the sky blue or green grass, do that first. Now I can use different colors or different values of colors to separate the object from the background. Create contrast, not camouflage. I've done a darker value for the blue shirt and a lighter value for those blue overalls, and at different values of green for the trees in the background and the grass in the foreground. Remember, start with the colors you know must be a certain way. For example, if you want the pumpkin orange, do that first. Now I can use different colors or different values of colors to separate the object from the background. I've used different browns. I've used the orange and so on. I colored the monster green and the bushes behind it are also the same green. Oh no, it's camouflaged and hard to see where the object ends and the background begins. Drawing is accurate and big enough to be the focal point. It catches the viewer's eye. The background drawing includes water, sand, lobster, crabs, and text. Good details. Patches of paper show through the coloring. The movements are big and the pressure is uneven. The shark is the same color as the background. The value is a little darker, which helps, but it's still hard to see the shark blue on blue. Craftsmanship is how neatly and carefully you use the media and tools. The media are the materials that you're using in your artwork. Here's an okay example. Ooh, here's a better example. And wow, look at the craftsmanship in this piece. When you're coloring, try coloring around the edges first. This will help you stay inside the lines. If you put more pressure on your color pencil near the edges, it will be darker, creating shading. Shading makes it look more three-dimensional or 3D. Try making the outer edges darker for shading, like the pumpkins in the biggest picture here. You can also use the pumpkins as different oranges. The outer edges being darker will give it a more three-dimensional look. Which one do you like best? Try to stay inside the lines. Make sure your pressure on your pencil is even, so your coloring looks smooth. There should be no patches of white paper showing through your coloring. Use small movements for greater control. Let's take a look at this awesome picture. Whoa, shading and blending around the edges of the basketball make it look rounder, more 3D. They even put a cast shadow on the ground. The tree in the distance is smaller and higher on the page. The tree that is closer is bigger and closer to the bottom of the page to give it a sense of space and distance. The coloring is smooth and even, not scribbled. No patches of paper show through. What will your next art challenge be?